AJ Browne, a visionary portrait photographer and founder of Bymsha Browne Photography, a true visual narrator. AJ crafts captivating images with an editorial flair and a vibrant tapestry of multicultural influences. Raised by a skilled seamstress, he witnessed the magic of transforming textiles into stunning creations, much like the ones gracing the pages of magazines today. With a keen eye for design and meticulous precision, AJ infuses his work with luminosity, color, texture, and empowerment. Inspired by his mother's ability to make dreams come true through fabric, AJ weaves the threads of light, color, and confidence into every photograph. Like a master seamstress, he expertly combines these elements, crafting narratives that resonate deeply. Striving to always learn beyond his comfort zone, AJ's journey led him from basic cameras to the realm of digital SLRs, evolving his craft through self-guided exploration, workshops, and online education. Both a master of off-camera flash and a master of natural lighting, AJ knows that illuminating his subjects is key to stitching together a compelling tale. Guided by the philosophy, expression over perfection, he captures the authentic essence of his subjects, inviting them to step into their own stories with newfound assurance. Visual storytelling through multicultural photography.